Hello, in today's episode we will listen to a conversation in English. If you like this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on this video. And now, let's move on to the dialogue. Today's topic is at the post office.
Welcome to the post office.
Thank you. I need to send a package.
No problem. Do you have the address?
Yes, here it is. Can you help me fill out the form?
Of course. What's the weight of the package?
It's about 3 kilograms.
Great. Is it a regular or express delivery?
Regular is fine. How much will it cost?
Let me check. It's $15 for regular delivery.
Okay, here's the money. What's the next step?
I'll give you a receipt. Keep it safe.
Got it. How long will it take to arrive?
For regular, it usually takes 5 to 7 days.
That works for me. Anything else I need to know?
Make sure the address is clear and correct.
Sure. Can I track the package online?
Yes, you'll receive a tracking number.
Perfect. Is there a mailbox for letters?
Yes, right over there by the entrance.
Thanks. While I'm here, can I buy stamps?
Certainly. Stamps are at the counter.
How much is a stamp for an international letter?
It's $1.50 for an international stamp.
Okay, I'll take 5 stamps, please.
Sure thing. Anything else I can assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Vocabulary.
Post office. Package. Address. Form. Weight. Kilograms. Regular. Express delivery. Cost. Receipt. Safe. Arrive. Track. Tracking number. Mailbox. Letters. Stamps. Counter. International. Assist.
Thank you for watching. Check our channel for more videos like this one.